Hi, I'm Terry Padilla. I'm the Regional Rangeland Management Staff Officer for the Intermountain Region of the U.S. Forest Service, office in Ogden, Utah. I'm originally from southwest Colorado, northern New Mexico, and been in the Forest Service over 35 years. So we're here at the culmination of our orientation and training program for our new Pathways interns that we've hired here in the region in our rangeland management program. And we've had just a tremendous week. We used to do this as a course of business back in the day in the Forest Service, this orientation and training, for the purpose of providing our new employees that we onboard with skills, experience, and a perspective of a life working for the Shield and working as stewards of the land. We've gotten away from it the last several decades, and we've taken this opportunity in the Intermountain region to kickstart that orientation and training. So we've been here at the Dubois Sheep Station on the Caribou-Targhee National Forest for a full week. We started the first day with experience on rangeland inventory and monitoring techniques, and our interns got a pretty good idea and exposure to upland inventory and monitoring techniques and how you tie those to administration of our grazing permits. We then got the opportunity for our interns, because it is one of the premier sheep research stations in the United States here with ARS, to actually disassemble a sheep camp, reassemble a sheep camp, and work with herders, Spanish-speaking herders, on managing sheep and a band of sheep and moving them across the landscape. We also exposed our interns to basic horsemanship skills, turned out to be a real interesting and valuable piece of experience for them. They seemed to enjoy that. And then probably one of the highlights of our orientation and training is we brought in key permittees and stakeholders in with our orientation. And what turned out to be a really valuable experience for our interns, they received real well. These permittees and stakeholders brought some real passion relative to rangeland management into this orientation. I'd go so far as to say some tears were shed, some passion was engendered. There was a real good, honest crosswalk, and our interns got a chance to ask these ranchers and these permittees about life ranching and the importance of the Forest Service permit to their sustainability and viability on the land. And our permittees and stakeholders, one which is a state senator here in the state of Idaho, responded very well. So we wrapped up our session with some discussion on their Pathways glide path and what we need to do to provide some mentoring as they proceed and complete their program. And so we got some real valuable information on that. We're looking forward to, we'll stay with these pathway interns all the way through their conversion in the districts that we've onboarded them. And we're also looking at this program with a national perspective, because the good training and experience here in the region will not only serve this region, it's going to serve all the other regions in the whole of the Forest Service, and these interns will be available for conversion in those regions as well. We look forward to continuing this, tying it to a strategic approach to recruitment and onboarding and hiring, and we're just really excited about what we've stepped back in, and a step back in time and a move forward in time.